Okay mga langga, continuation pa rin tayo sa lesson 2 ha. Okay. Dito na tayo sa long I. Yan. Long I is a large broken circle. Yan. Para siyang may guhit sa gitna ng circle. Okay. Okay. Yan ha. Okay. Ganyan yung stroke niya. Ayan. Pabilog. Ayan. May ano siya sa gitna ha. Parang may guhit sa gitna. Okay. Ayan. Tingnan yung maigi mga langga. Okay. Magbigay tayo ng example ha. Example the word my. Okay. My. M-I. M-I. Okay. My. Yan. My. Yan. Okay, the next is might. Yan. What letters did you hear in the word might? Only M, I, and T. Yan. Might. M, I, T. Yan. M, I, T. Might. Okay. Yan, ganyan ha. Okay, next is sign. Yan, sign. Sign is represented by S, I, and N. Yan, sign. Okay, ganyan yung stroke niya, mga langga ha. Tingnan nyo yung maigi. Okay, yan, sign. Yan, tingnan yung maigi mga langga ha, yung strokes. Okay, next is side. Yan, side is represented by S, I, and D. Side. Yan. Tandaan nyo yung mga stroke mga langga ha, para hindi nyo makalimutan, okay? Yan, side. Okay, next is try. Yan, try. T-R-I. T-R-I. Yan. Try. T-R-I. Okay. Okay, ayan. Dito naman tayo sa omission of minor vowels. Ayan, omission of minor vowels. Example. Even. Ayan. Pagdating sa shorthand, it is only represented the sounds of letter E, V, and N. Inumit na natin yung letter A kasi hindi naman siya kailangan, okay? Or it is the unnecessary letter. Okay, another example is meter. In shorthand, it is only represented the sounds of letter M, E, T, and R. Yan, inumit na natin yung letter A sa bandang hulihan, okay? Okay, another example. Yan, example, the word evening. And evening is represented the sounds of letter E, V, N, and I-N-G. Yan. Evening. Meron siyang dot ha, kasi may ano siya, I-N-G. Yan. I-N-G is represented by a dot. Yan. Okay, another is yan, meter. Yan, meter. Okay. Ganyan ang meter ha. M-E T and R. Yan, meter. M, E, T, and R. Only 4 letters. Yan, inumit na natin yung letter E sa bandang huli, okay? Okay, another example is writer. Yan, writer is represented the sounds of R, then long I, And T and R. Yan. Yan, writer. Yan. Okay. Long I is a broken circle. Okay, next is heater. Yan, heater. Yan, is presented the sounds of H, E, T, and R. Yan. H is represented by a dot. Yan. Yan. Makikita natin na wala na yung E ha. Inumit na natin yung E sa huli. Okay? Okay mga langga, natapos na natin yung 14 alphabet strokes. Okay? The S, yan, F, and V. Yan. The T, yan, and D. Yan. Mga langga, i-memorize nyo to mga langga ha, para hindi nyo makalimutan, okay? Okay, the O, R, L. Yan. Okay, N. Yan. N is a short, forward, straight line. M is a longer, forward, straight line. Okay, E. E. A tiny circle. Yan. A big circle. Long I. Yan. Broken circle. Yan. H is represented by a dot. Yan. Dot. And E is also represented by a dot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye. God bless.